yeah, so let's take a tour. Catherine's Landing tour by pickup. As you come in the front of Catherine's Landing, little windy area here, real pretty. But once you get to the front gate of Catherine's Landing, it's super easy. They got staging lanes and they've got plenty of room, even for us pulling 45 foot. We pulled up, we were able to stage, and there was enough room for a couple other trailers to stage behind us. So when you pull in, you'll pull in and stop in this little staging area, and they have your check-in, a full packet with all your information just right there. I mean, you hop out of your driver's seat, grab it, shows you, it's got a map, it's got everything, it's got all the information on it. Easy to find your spot. And getting around this park is really easy with truck, trailer, Class A, whatever you got. Class A, pull in a trailer. Class A, pull in a Jeep. Whatever you got, there's lots and lots of room. Now, as you pull up, you can see the RV staging area. You got children and adults at play. As you're pulling in here, you pull to the left, and this is where you're going to stage your RV, so that way you can get checked in. And as you can see, there's lots of room, plenty of spots. Park several RVs, get stacked up. And as you come up to this little blue jack, this is where you'll stop. You go in here and they'll have all of your information, your map, your key, if you're getting a cabin or anything like that. All right, as you come into the park, you'll see you got this little section over here. Very, very nice spots. Everything's very level. Turn off this way. Apparently over here they've got some beekeeping, I think. And back off in this way you've got the disc golf. Now back off in here you've got your yurts. You got this big pavilion area here for, like, if you want to have a company get together or family get together or anything like that. You got restrooms and bathhouses up here. And like I said, as you can see, all these spots, these are super nice spots right here close. And each one of these spots has a grill, fire pit. That big mirror is in the way. Back off in here you can see the yurts a little better. Very pet friendly. They've got little doggy stations all throughout the park, which is really nice. Now over here, this is getting close to the boat ramp and everything. So they've got all this extra parking here for friends, family, or if you've got a trailer on the back of your rig or whatever you've got. Park over here a little out of the way and go check it out. Now, if you're a guest of Catherine's Landing, you can rent these kayaks. I'll post a list of prices and stuff. You got plenty of those. You got this little ramp, and this is for guests only. But you can also rent these pontoons. Now, I think the pontoons are $300 for a couple hours. A little pricey, but like I said, I'll post the prices and stuff here. A real nice little boat dock. You can see Lake's real pretty. Nice and calm. Sprinkling a little bit, but not too bad. Let's take a look at one of these. Not a bad little pontoon boat. Just want to go out on the lake, have a little fun. These right here are some of the waterfront sites on the other section. We're in the back section, but these right here, they back up straight up to the water. And I don't know that ours would fit on this one, so it's a good thing we got the bigger one in the back. As you can see, it's starting to rain a little bit. These are nice little spots. Again, they've got fire pits and picnic tables and barbecue grills. And here's the pool area of Catherine's Landing. Good, nice sized pool. Lots and lots of seating around it. Umbrellas. That right there is going to be your main office and everything. And of course they sell ice here, and you've got the dog washing station, which is right there. And then they got showers and of course bathrooms. There's a laundry room there. Girls love this pool. And then if we'll take a look over here, you can get a good view of the park. So right there is going to be the fishing pond. That is a little catch and release pond. The girls caught a couple little fish. Not sure what they were, but this is that area that we're in over here. It's kind of, you can't see us, but we're way back off over in this area. Then you've got these little cabins. There's several of them throughout the park. There's a bunch back off in the back. And then, like I said, this is their main front section. All of these, and then of course there's that pavilion off over here. Lots and lots of trees. And the part of the lake that we're on, I think it's the Washita River, runs right along behind all of this, with all those back end camping spots like ours. And as you can see, there's a little playground right here on the outside of the little splash pad area. All right, so this is the splash pad at Catherine's Landing. The girls are playing on it. To activate it, this little pole right here, if you swipe your hand over the top of it, there's a little optic sensor, and that turns on the splash pad. The girls love this little splash pad. That's just the dumping buckets, and it kind of alternates between all the different.
I want to go back in the other pool.
You want to go back in the other pool?
Yeah.
And go over here and hang out with the girls and keep an eye on them.
Catherine's Landing is a wonderful RV resort. It's very spacious, so you have plenty of room to get your rig through with no problems. They also offer golf cart rentals should you need them, and there's plenty of space to ride bikes, walk the dogs, and our pups really love the dog parks. It's also conveniently located to Hot Springs Village, Hot Springs National Park, as well as Magic Springs and Crystal Falls Water Park. Our back-end RV site was right on the water, and we also chose it because it had a nice grassy area behind the RV for the girls to play. Now, our site ran about $110 a night with taxes and fees, but there are more affordable spots throughout the park depending on what type of site you would like and the type of rig that you have. I would suggest that if you're going to stay maybe 5 or 6 days, check out their weekly rate. A lot of times if you have the time to spend, you can get a better deal on the weekly rate than paying the daily rate. We look forward to coming back to Catherine's Landing, and you guys don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, and also like and subscribe here to see future videos. Y'all stay safe.